Every morning starts like this. The tractor standing quietly, waiting for the day. I gather the tools, bags, stubs, small things, but they carry the weight of our work. There's something peaceful in these first moments. The sun rising, the air fresh, and the day full of promise. Walking towards the tractor, I feel the rhythm of farming life. Every step reminds me that this is more than work, it's patience, effort, and care. Days like this teach you to move slowly, to notice the little things, and to enjoy the process. The engine roars to life. It's more than just a sound, it's energy, movement, and a promise that the day has begun. Every gear shift feels like setting the face, preparing for the work ahead. And off we go, the tractor moving slowly, carrying not just tools, but our hope and dreams. The journey to the field feels quiet yet full of anticipation. Every sunrise feels like a new beginning in our orchard. Here we are, the young pomegranate plants, just 10 months old. They may be small, but they are strong. Growing day by day, rooted in the soil, waiting for care, water, and love to help them bloom fully. My grandmother is already at work. Her hands worn by years of labor fills the bags with hen compost. It's amazing how nature works. This compost will feed the soil, nourish the roots, and make the plants healthy naturally. Together, my brother and I load the compost onto the tractor. Farming is a family effort. Every hand matters, every action counts. Working together, we carry the gift of growth to every plant in the field. Pouring the hen compost, I see the connection between soil and life. This is what real nourishment looks like. No chemicals, just nature feeding nature. Healthy soil means healthy plants, and healthy plants means fruitful harvesting in the future. By the end of the day, the field feels alive, calm, healthy, and ready for tomorrow. Every plant tells a story of care, patience, and the love of family. Farming is not just about growing crops, it's about growing life together with nature and together as a family. Every plant here we every plant here grew with our hands, our patience and our love. Farming teaches one thing. When you give your best to nature, it's always give back more. This is our life, our land, and our story. Grown not by machines, but by heart. Thank you.